Assalamu alaikum. I am Hifz Azam. I am from class 8. I am from Ghazali High School and I am here to present periodic table. What is periodic table? Periodic table is a map that helps us to learn about different types of matter and how they interact with each other. Who discovered periodic table? Periodic table is first discovered by a scientist named Dmitry Mendeleyev in 1860. He noticed that when he arranged the elements in periodic table, he used a pattern which is repeated over and over again. Why it is called periodic table? Periodic table is based on atomic numbers of element. What is atomic number? Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. What is atom? Atom is the building blocks of matter. Everything in the world is made up of matter, like the air we breathe, like the water we drink, and like the food we eat. In atoms, three fundamental particles are found: electron, proton, and neutron. Proton and neutron are present in the nucleus of an atom, whereas electron revolves around the nucleus in shells. Atomic number. Number of protons present in a cell determines which type of atom is it. For example, an atom with 1 proton determines hydrogen, whereas an atom with 6 protons determines carbon. Scientists are working to find out the ways by which we can use these elements in more sustainable ways. Like they are working to use the gold and platinum in diseases processes. There are 7 periods in periodic table, whereas groups in periodic table are 18.
Noble gases कहाँ पे हैं?
Noble gases are found in 18 group of Noble gases are called noble gases because they are stable, unreactive, and they do not like to react with another else.
Why they are stable?
Because their outermost shells are completely filled with electrons.
Because it has
2 electrons.
2 electrons. Well done.